Welcome back to Cooking Health with Hanna. I'm Hanna, and in this mini-series, I'll be showcasing some budget-friendly meals. There are 4 basic ideas for keeping the cost down. 1 is buying items on sale. 2nd is buying low-cost ingredients. 3rd is buying items in bulk. That means buying a large package of a food type. The 4th is buying the store brand items. You can ask a clerk at your store what their store brand is called. You can combine all 4 ideas for the biggest of savings. In this series, I will feature one of these ideas in each recipe. Let's get started. Today I'm featuring the chicken from the bulk package of the chicken thighs in this Caesar salad recipe. I also bought a large package of romaine lettuce and onions because our family eats a lot of salads, and we add onions to many recipes. This meal has chicken for lean protein, eggs for healthy fat, and lettuce and onions for vitamins and minerals. The homemade dressing has cheese and Greek yogurt for calcium. The homemade croutons have fiber and carbs. You can buy croutons and dressing, but when you make it yourself, they are healthier and less expensive. Let's get started. First, I'll make the croutons with multigrain bread. My oven is preheated to 400 degrees. Pour bread on a baking sheet. Mix garlic into the olive oil, then brush onto both sides of the bread. Then cut the bread into small pieces. Bake 3 minutes and then flip them over and bake for another 3 to 4 minutes. Next, I'll make the dressing in a small bowl. Whisk all these ingredients together. Plain Greek yogurt, lemon juice, olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, parmesan cheese, garlic powder, and salt to taste. Set this aside for the salad. Now I create the salad. For the salad, I have romaine that is whipped into bite-sized pieces for the base. I'll add onions, the cooked chicken, and the hard-boiled eggs. I made hard-boiled eggs back in season 3, so let's do a flashback to see how it's done. Today, I am making hard-boiled eggs for our lunch. Eggs are amazing. They are a nice source of protein and healthy fat and are packed with essential vitamins, minerals. Plus, I think they taste great. You can buy pre-made hard-boiled eggs, but they are so easy to make. I have got you covered. I will show you how. Place eggs at the bottom of a pan and cover them with cold water. Add about 1 teaspoon of salt to prevent cracking. Turn on high heat and bring it to a full boil. When you see the water bubbling, turn off the heat and cover. Let's let sit for 10 to 12 minutes. Next, I'm going to get a bowl of ice water ready to put the eggs in once they are hard boiled. I will remove the eggs with a slotted spoon and put them in a bowl of ice. Peel the eggs under cold running water. The water helps the shell slide off the egg a little easier. And now we are back. I will assemble the salad and plate a serving. I will top this salad with croutons and a drizzle of salad dressing. If you guys want some pepper, you can definitely add some pepper to your Caesar salads. I might also do it for myself. And there you have it, my healthy chicken Caesar salad. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. Until next time, be kind to yourself and be kind to others. Bye!
Thank you.